Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how I'm pairing connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these headphones into pairing mode. Okay, so if you look at the side here with the buttons here, you see this down here. If it's blinking blue, 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 then it's in pairing mode. Okay, so let's put this in pairing mode. Okay, so let me manually put this in pairing mode. Let me go ahead and turn these headphones off first. So the power button is right here. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. Okay, just turned off. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to manually put this in a pairing mode. I'm going to press and hold that power button and just keep holding until it starts blinking blue here. Okay, so power button here, the headphones are currently off. Power button here, press and hold, ready to go. Now keep holding. Just wait, wait, wait. Okay, there we go. Now it's blinking blue, blue, blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to shoot over to our MacBook. And we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings. We can just navigate to the Apple logo top left-hand side. We're going to scroll down to System Settings. From here, you want to tap on Bluetooth. And now, just make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here, all right? And now I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here. Now, I see that little thing that's spinning there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. It's still in the pairing mode, it's blinking blue, and it did find the Soundcore Q20i right there. I'm going to hover over here and click on connect. Oh, I just heard the connecting chime, and now we should be connected. You can see Soundcore Q20i, we're connected, and we have 70% battery juice. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.